Once you complete your sign up process and onboarding, you are greeted with this dashboard, and you can select what features you wish to interact with. You can upload a profile photo and have your name, and you have a task list here as well. So we'll start off with the Gemini powered chatbot. So you can either double click here or select the chat in the menu here. Don't forget to upload your API key. So we can upload an image from our gallery or our camera roll. Let's say here, and what should we ask? We can ask, is this outfit appropriate for a divorce proceeding? Let's see what it says. So as you can see, it has a bit of a fun response. The fairy godmother has a bit of a personality. She speaks just like an actual fairy godmother, adding a magical touch to your styling experience. And you can also change the picture you upload, so you can ask, what hair color would flatter me? So we can go back to the home menu, and we can also add tasks based on our responses if we wanted to track what outfits we wanted to wear on what day. So we can add a task like dye my hair blonde, and we can set the due date as tomorrow, and then add the task, and then we can also add tasks for today. So in and we set the due date as today. We add the task. So we have our task for today, we have our tasks for tomorrow, and we have no tasks in the completed. So say I invent a time machine and I complete tomorrow's task, I can tick it and it will head to the completed page. Same as today, tick it, it will head to the completed page. And that's the application. Thank you. On a genuine note, I truly do hope that Fairy Godmother could help you show your best side to the world. Thank you.